Hi guys, welcome back to another live session of the Shopping Tree. Today's live session is going to be a Eid special live session because we have lot many products with AD range as well as Meenakari and necklaces. So, how are you guys doing? Hi Alia. Hi Gayatri, how are you? Hi Saloni. Hi Ridhima. Where are you from? We are based in Delhi. Hi Ruby. Hi Pooja. Hi Ananthi. Stunning. Thank you so much. Looking pretty. Thank you. Hi Mansa. Thank you so much. Aren't we all beautiful? We all are beautiful in our own skin, right? Hello Kaval. Fine, how are you? I'm good. Hi Reshma. Looking stunningly. Thank you so much. Did you guys notice something? Like, if yes, please let me know. क्योंकि आप तो मेरे को हर वीक ही लाइव देखते हो. So, please notice something. Something has changed. Hi Bhavna. हाय हर्षिता. बिंदी नहीं, बिंदी तो मैं पहले भी लगाती थी. बिंदी इज तो माई ऑल टाइम फेवरेट. बट उसके अलावा भी कुछ चेंज है, बहुत माइनर सा चेंज है. बट इफ यू गाइज कैन सी, यस यस यस, न्यू कुर्ती. नो, द कुर्ती इज नॉट न्यू, इज जस्ट दैट कि मैंने बहुत टाइम बाद ये वाली कुर्ती पहनी है. तो आप लोग को पता है मेरा चिकन करी लव हमेशा ही मेरा यही रहता है. यू कलर्ड योर हेयर कलर तो मेरा पहले भी था. लाइक आई कलर्ड माई हेयर लाइक 2 years बैक, या 2 years ago. हेयर कट है थी. हाँ जी, बिल्कुल सही नोटिस करा आपने. लिपस्टिक शेड नहीं. हाय मृणाल. हेयर कट. हाँ जी. सो आई जस्ट कट माई हेयर शॉर्ट. लाइक ये बहुत लॉन्ग था, लाइक यू नो, लाइक इधर इधर तक. आप पुराने लाइव वीडियोस देखोगे तो आपको वो दिखेगा. काफी लॉन्ग हुआ करता था मेरा हेयर. बट अभी मैंने इसको ऐसा चॉप 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 कर दिया है. हाय देविका. Thank you, Ridhima. Thank you so much. Today you kept bindi. Yes, today I kept bindi. Like this bindi was a very, last minute addition. I was not prepared with this one. But then my friend who chopped my hair, she was like that, kuch missing hai, so you should put on a bindi. And she just put on the bindi and I'm loving it. So actually what happened was कि my hair was too long, like it was कमर से नीचे जा रहा था बिल्कुल. और वो मेरे को मैनेज करने में बहुत ज़्यादा इशू हो रहा था. बहुत ज़्यादा इशू आ रहे थे मेरे को. बट आई बिलीव कि अगर थोड़े शॉर्ट हेयर भी हों और मैनेज्ड हों और आप उनका अच्छे से देखभाल कर पाओ, तो दैट इज़ बेटर दैन हैविंग वेरी लॉन्ग हेयर एंड नॉट एबल टू टेक केयर ऑफ देम. दैट्स वाई आई जस्ट चॉप देम ऑफ. एंड आई एम रियली लविंग इट. लाइक मेरे को ऐसा हल्का हल्का सा फील हो रहा है. एंड द हेयर्स आर लुकिंग गुड. सो शी हैज़ डन अ गुड जॉब. क्योंकि अभी तो दिल्ली में लॉकडाउन है, सैलॉन्स आर नॉट ओपन. सो घर पे ही आई गॉट द हेयर कट. थैंक यू देविका. हाय लिंसी. थैंक यू सो मच. यू सो ब्यूटिफुल. थैंक यू. हाय अलका. मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ. आप लोग कैसे हो? Though we know that we are going through a pandemic situation, है ना, and it's very difficult. Let me tell you, at times I don't feel like doing anything. I just want to lay down and just be in bed for whole day. क्योंकि whenever I see Instagram, news, everywhere, even many of my family members who are not here in Delhi but at other places, like 3 of my family members are COVID positive right now. So it's very difficult, but we have to handle this. So yeah, we are, like doing it. Hi Sissy, how is TST team? Everyone, please be safe, Sissy. Hi Purni, yeah, we are safe for now. We really hope that we stay safe, and you, all of you, stay safe. Please take care of yourself. Hi Padu, today you glow differently. Thank you. Though today I didn't do much of makeup. It was like I just put on the lipstick and the liner and the bindi because I was not feeling like it, Everything is so disturbed right now. I'm mostly on calls right now because I'm receiving so many calls from my family members. Different family members are COVID positive. They're not here in Delhi. Like, I'm staying in Delhi. They are in different part of the country. They live elsewhere. But yeah, so tension to hoti hai na. Take care. Hope your family members get well soon. Thank you so much, Lindsay. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. चलो वैसे ही बहुत सारी नेगेटिविटी एंड बहुत ज़्यादा टेंशन है, तो लेट्स नॉट टॉक अबाउट द टेंशंस एंड नेगेटिविटी. बट I really want to request all of you to please take care of yourself and do not take this COVID second wave lightly. This is very serious. Like, people from the age of 20, 24, 27, 26, everyone is getting COVID, and it's like very disturbing. This wave is, it's not sparing anyone regardless of the age. So I really want to request you guys, please take care of yourself. Do double masking. We got the data, like I read some data that double masking helps prevent COVID cases. Like I forgot the percentage, what the percentage was, but yeah, it helps to prevent more the COVID. So if possible, do double masking and please stay home. ठीक है, जिंदगी रहेगी तो बाहर तो बाद में भी निकल सकते हैं, no? So yes. Your sweetest name. My name is Shruti Kirti. Hi Prajakta. So I really hope that you guys are staying safe, and this is very disturbing, really. But it's okay. This too shall pass. Like last year भी जैसे तैसे निकल गया था. I hope कि ये year अच्छे से निकल जाए, किसी को कुछ होना, and I just pray for all of us. We all are corona positive and all are home quarantine. I'm so sorry to hear that, Gayatri, but I just want to tell you that be positive, okay? Be positive. You'll get well soon. Don't think negative. What I have experienced from this phase is that people take so much of mental stress कि ठीक होने के chances और कम हो जाते हैं. So प्लीज बी पॉजिटिव. सब ठीक हो जाएगा. और नोटिस द चेंजेस. लाइक छोटी छोटी चीज़ें बोलते हैं कि कोरोना में बहुत मैटर करती है. कीप चेकिंग योर ऑक्सीजन लेवल्स. कीप एन ऑक्सीमीटर एट द होम. आई हैव केप्ट इट. आई हैव सेंट माई मदर, एंड दे आर सेइंग कि स्टीमिंग से हेल्प होता है. सो टेक स्टीम. आई डोंट नो मतलब हाउ मच ट्रू इट इज़, बट दे से कि स्टीम लेने से बहुत हेल्प होती है कोविड को कंट्रोल करने में. तो प्लीज़ टेक स्टीम. डू योर रिसर्च फर्स्ट. मैं ऐसा कुछ अपनी तरफ से सजेस्ट नहीं कर रही हूँ. इट्स जस्ट व्हाट आई हैव रेड. सो या, एंड गायत्री, यू विल बी better very soon. You and your whole family. Our prayers are with them. See, our whole family is wishing you. Our whole family is praying for you. Reshma is saying, get well soon, dear. Alka is here. So everyone is praying for you and your family. You guys will get better very, very, very soon. Hi, Sneha. Okay, so let's shift our focus from this COVID pandemic to something which makes your 1 hour or the time that you spend with us here at the Shopping Tree Live you're worthwhile, and you feel a little happy about it. Okay, this is just my motive to come live and share everything with you guys, show you so many beautiful products, so that थोड़ी देर के लिए you guys feel कि हाँ चलो कुछ तो अच्छा लगा, we saw something which was good. So that is my motive today. So आज ईद स्पेशल के लिए कुछ कुछ लेके आए हैं. आप लोगों ने एडी कलेक्शन को बहुत पसंद किया. लाइक द एडी कलेक्शन दैट वी लॉन्च, नथिंग इज लेफ्ट, एवरीथिंग इज सोल्ड आउट फ्रॉम आवर लास्ट एडी कलेक्शन. And I'm really grateful for the response you guys gave us on AD collection. And today we are back with AD, Meenakari and some necklaces and one bangle. So I hope कि आप लोग इस collection को भी आप लोग उतना ही प्यार दोगे जितना पहले वाले collection को दिया था. I really hope that. Hi Priya, hi Afreen, hi Sneha. Looking so beautiful, ma'am. Thank you, Sneha. Thank you so much. Hi Aditi. Yes, ma'am. Start. Okay, so let's start with two jhumkis that we posted. I just wanted to show you guys how it looks. We already have posted it on our feed. So these are the Meenakari jhumkis. These are very pretty, like not too big, not too small, medium sized, very pretty jhumkis. You can see these are available in two colors. This is red and we have a green as well. Okay, so these are the two color variants that we have right now. This is green and this is red. So this has this Meenakari stud here and golden jhumki with lots and lots of pearls here. And these are the two colors that are available. Evergreen colors these are, so you don't you can pair it up with most of your clothes. Hi, how are you? Hope everyone is safe in this pandemic. Hi Harika, I'm good. Not everyone is safe, but let's pray for them. Whoever is not safe, let's pray कि वो जल्दी से जल्दी ठीक हो जाए and we don't lose any more lives. And please take care of yourself. So coming back to the jhumkis, these are the jhumkis. We have already posted it on the feed and I'm going to show you how it looks when you wear it. And the price is $299 only, so you don't need to be worried about the price. Hi Ekta, how are you? So just look at it, how cute this jhumki is. Something that instantly adds up to your look and glams it up. बहुत simple सी झुमकी है, छोटू सी प्यारी सी है ना, and looking very beautiful. So this is the green color that I'm pairing right now. You can see how pretty it looks. Price is also $299 only. This is available in two colors. This is green and then a red we have. So this is the green one that I'm wearing right now. PP price is $299 rupees, and I'm gonna wear red also and show you guys how it looks. So this is the green one and I'm going to wear red as well. Hi Rachna. This is the red one. These pearls, like the combination is very pretty, like the red here and the red here at the bottom. It makes it look really pretty. And this is not like very heavy weight. This is medium weight and you can easily carry it off. Hi Srinidhi, how are you? How all types of earrings suits you? I don't know. It's not like all type of earrings suits me. It's just that I don't know. I'm too comfortable with them, I guess. कुछ भी पहन लो मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि अच्छा लग रहा है. सब अच्छा ही लगता है मुझे. So this is the red one. The price is again $299 only. So we have two color variants. I have already shown you guys. And after this, we'll start with the AD collection. So Hi Mannat, are these heavy? No, these are not too heavy. These are not too heavy, not too lightweight. Very medium weight these are. As you can see, the size is also not too big. I have also worn it and shown you ताकि आप देख सको that इनका साइज भी बहुत बड़ा नहीं है, दे आर नॉट टू हैवी फॉर मी, बट स्टिल इफ यू वांट टू नो द वेट यू कैन ऑलवेज आस्क मी, आई जस्ट वे देम एंड लेट यू नो हाउ मच द वेट ऑफ दीज इयररिंग्स आर एग्जैक्टली. Of your lipstick, what shade is that? Well, again I'll tell you that I'll have to mix and match. So I have mixed 3 colors of lipstick, and that's how I got this shade. One was from Lakme, another was from Color Bar, a nude shade. Then I was not satisfied with the color, so I put up a lipstick from Sugar. So I can't tell you what exact shade this is, but I am also loving this shade, whatever this is. So I have just mixed and matched everything till I was satisfied that yeah, it's looking good. COD available? Yes, Kiran, COD is available. You can always DM us or visit our website to place order on prepaid as well as COD. So COD is available on website as well. You can place your orders there as well, or you can message us on Instagram. Hi Diya. Okay, so here is our box full of AD collection, which I'm going to start now. So today I'm starting with the revolving jhumka. It's not the same revolving jhumka that we had last time, but this is a little different in design, but really pretty, and you're just gonna see how pretty it is. Hi Palak, hi Prati, I'm good, how are you? Hi Stuti, hi Meditya, hello. Okay, so this is the jhumka. Again, we have only single pieces like last time we had. Because I don't know, somehow there's a shortage of these jhumkas market. Whenever I ask them, for these jhumkas, हमेशा एक ही 2 पीस मिल पाता है मेरे को. और maybe this is due to the pandemic. They have said कि after the lockdown is up, we can give you the stock. So right now we have only single pieces. So mostly products in AD we have a single or 2 pieces, not more than that. So before starting, I just wanted to make sure कि I let you know guys, so that whichever product you want, you can just take a screenshot and place your orders. Don't wait for it, क्योंकि पिछली बार भी सब sold out हो गया था and you guys were like कि अरे मेरे को नहीं मिला जो मेरे को पसंद था. So it's just like that for now. आगे से कोशिश करेंगे कि जब ये पैंडमिक एक बार ओवर हो जाए तो we get full stock. But right now we have very limited stock in AD, and also the Meenakari ones that I'm going to show you, because Karigars are not available right now. It's just like last year. And whichever Karigar are available, they are very limited in number, so we are able to get less stock. That's why. So whatever you want to order, you can just take a screenshot and let us know. So this is the first revolving jhumka. I hope you guys can see, and this is how it revolves. Okay, see. And this is in complete AD. Okay, and this has 2 colors of AD work done here on the jhumka. One is rose gold and one is in black AD, and this is you had sent me default product and some month you haven't even responded to return. I'm so sorry, Swadha, that this happened. Please, I'm so sorry. Please message once right now. Please drop a DM. After finishing the live, I'll get back to you personally and we'll solve whatever issue is there. I'm extremely sorry that this happened, and I'll surely get back to you after live. Hi Leonessa, hi Gayatri, hi Radhima. आपकी फ्लॉलेस स्किन का राज. ओके, मेरी फ्लॉलेस स्किन का राज ये है कि मेरी स्किन फ्लॉलेस नहीं है, ठीक है. इट्स नो वे नियर परफेक्ट, बट हाँ, आई टेक केयर ऑफ माई स्किन. तो या, इट्स गुड. और ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं. आई ट्राई टू ईट क्लीन, लाइक टेक केयर ऑफ माई स्किन अ लिटिल बिट. आजकल मैं थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा करने लगी हूँ, क्योंकि पैंडमिक है, बहुत ज़्यादा मेरे को दिमाग थोड़ा सा हटाना रहता है, तो काम के बाद आई ट्राई टू टेक केयर ऑफ माई स्किन. If you have no return policy, then please don't mention it in bio. We have return policy. It's not like we don't have a return policy. It's just that we need an unboxing video for that. And in detail, I'll surely get back to you. I am again apologizing. I'm extremely sorry that this happened. We tried to resolve as soon as possible, but I don't know how we missed it. So I'll get back to you after live. Surely, please drop a DM so that I don't miss. आप फोटो कैसे क्लिक करते हो? बहुत अच्छी पिक्स हैं प्रोडक्ट्स की. थैंक यू सो मच. सो आई हैव इवॉल्व्ड ओवर द ईयर. आई वॉज नॉट दिस गुड अ फोटोग्राफर. जब मैंने शुरू किया था, माई फोटोज वर वेरी बेसिक, बट विद टाइम आई एक्सपेरिमेंटेड, आई इन्वेस्टेड इन माई स्किल्स टू टेक फोटोग्राफ्स, एंड दैट्स हाउ आई एम हियर नाउ. एंड आई टेक पिक्चर्स मोस्टली फ्रॉम माई फोन. DSLR से भी लेती हूँ, बट मोस्टली पिक्चर्स आर फ्रॉम माई फोन. You look really good today. Thank you. Hi Susmita, please share skincare with us. I'll be sharing that very soon with you guys. You look very pretty. Thank you. Okay, coming back to the product. ये वाला झुमका है complete AD में. You can see बहुत ही ज़्यादा pretty है ये. इसमें स्पाइरल वर्क किया हुआ है, and this is complete revolving झुमका. तो you can see ये ऐसा पूरा रिवॉल्व होता है 360 डिग्री पे. एंड दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स व्हेन यू वेयर इट. सी, एंड दीज आर नॉट वेरी हैवी वेट, दीज आर लाइट वेट अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर डिजाइनिंग एंड एवरीथिंग. AD प्रोडक्ट्स आर जनरली लाइट वेट, ठीक है, क्योंकि इनकी डिजाइनिंग ऐसे होती है, एंड दैट्स वाई इनकी प्राइसिंग भी ज़्यादा होती है बिकॉज ऑफ देयर क्वालिटी एंड डिजाइनिंग. So this is how it looks. Have a closer look at it. The price for this one is 1799 rupees. All these are available in single pieces. This is in rose gold and black. This is in rose gold and black. This is the same one that I am wearing right now. And this is completely revolving, 360 degree revolving jhumkas. These are like this, they revolve. They have minute ADs here and then big ADs here at the end. और ये बहुत ही सुंदर लगता है. You can see for yourself. And I have colors in these, so I'll show you the colors. I guess I missed the color. Hi, please refund the amount of missed item. Hi, Sulekshna. If I am recognizing you right, by tonight, after I finish this live session, you will get your refund. I have already sent the details. I'm sorry that it took long. I was a little misplaced because of everything happening around. I'm so sorry that delay happened, but you will get the amount refunded by tonight. I promise you that you will get it refunded by tonight. I'm really sorry for the delay. Hi Vaibhavi, the price is 1799. Price for this one is 1799. Okay. Alok, I have I don't know, I somehow missed bringing the colors of this jhumka, so I'm just asking. इसका colors नहीं है इसमें. अच्छा, sorry. Thank you so much, Jina. Thank you so much. Hi, Kanan. Okay, so this is the second color. This is in complete white AD. So this is in black metal and rose gold, and this is in complete, white AD. सो आप इसका साइन देख सकते हो, ऐसे भी आपको दिख रहा होगा कि हाउ ब्यूटिफुल दिस इज, हाउ ब्यूटिफुल द क्वालिटी ऑफ दीज इयरिंग्स आर. These are all export quality earrings which goes outside India for selling. Like our supplier also always tells us that these are all the earrings that we mainly export out of India. So these are all super premium quality earrings. You're just going to love them. The designing, the prices, everything. Okay, so the price. Your products are amazing. Love the earrings, ma'am. Thank you so much. So the price is $17.99, available in 2 colors. Okay, the next jhumka that I'm going to show you is a big one, and it like the designing is superb. I have got only one pair, only one color, only one pair, and I'm going to show you that right now. So this is the jhumka that I'm talking about. It's again a revolving jhumka. You can see how pretty the shine is. It's in a very pretty combination. It's a combination of grey, like very waterish grey, and white AD all over. And this is again a revolving jhumka. You can see बहुत ही ज़्यादा pretty है ये. Like I just love this one. I got only one piece, only one color, but I thought कि ये वाला मैं अपने लिए रख लूँ. But then again I had only one, so सोचा कि चलो कोई बात नहीं, जब next आएगा तो I'll surely keep one of these for me. So the size is also big, and the ADs, this is completely AD studded, मतलब completely AD studded, and the price for this one is 2100 because of its quality and the ADs. So all the jhumkas are priced again. जो पिछली बार था was 1599, उसकी quality उसके हिसाब से थी. Then we got this time उससे थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा बड़ा साइज, थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा बड़े एडीज. It comes with the back clip. So see, this is how it looks. मतलब instantly you will feel like, you know, I don't know what, like it's making me feel really good. The price of this one is 2100. You can justify its price when it gets in your hand. You will yourself see the quality of the earrings, what the quality is. And I have seen these earrings selling for much more on Insta pages, but that's okay. We have tried to keep it as low the cost as we can. So you can already see the sign and everything, how classy this earring is. So yeah, earring टूटेंगे तो नहीं मैम, ये earring टूटेंगे नहीं. ये इतने costly इसलिए होते हैं क्योंकि इनकी डिजाइनिंग वैसे की जाती है. I am revolving these time and again. Like see, there is not a scratch, not even a single issue with the earring. So this is how it is. It's completed itself, like a masterpiece kind of earring this one is. So yes, and it comes with the back hook. You see this back hook, so that it holds to your ear. You don't have any issue with that. I had purchased revolving jhumkas from you last session. Quality is really amazing. I told you, you will have no quality issues with this. Like there was a little conversation with one customer. She sent me the same jhumkas and she showed me that it's selling for 4,000. How are you able to sell it for 1,600? And is there a quality difference? Are you selling a duplicate product? And I was like, no, I'm not selling a duplicate product. You can order it and you can compare to the 4,000 one. It's the same product. So yeah, it has this clip so that it holds to your ear and you don't have any issue while wearing it. So this is the back clip here. And you can see the jhumka is completely, it has complete AD all over. Price is 2,100 rupees for this one. Okay, and Thank you for the info. Anytime. Okay, coming back to this one. This has already been our bestseller. Totally agree on quality part. The products are actually amazing, worth every penny. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Everybody looks pretty on you. Thank you, Uzma. So yeah, these are our already hot seller, AD Chand Balis. These are now available in pastel green color. So last time we had multicolor. So multicolor is not available right now. So we have it in pastel green, a new color. Okay, I just wanted to share it with you guys. और ये भी उतना ही pretty है जितना multicolor pretty था. दी आपने मेरे बर्थडे पर वेयर किया था TST earrings that made my day. हाँ जी, और वो पिक्चर्स बहुत ही ज़्यादा सुंदर थी. थैंक यू फॉर शेयरिंग. सो दिस इज़ हाउ इट ओपन्स. यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा होल है, उसमें आप इसको टक कर सकते हो. हाय करिश्मा, आई एम गुड, हाउ आर यू? ये सब मेरे से बंद नहीं हो रहा. जस्ट अ मिनट. ओके, somehow I'm not able to close it. I don't know why. यहाँ बंद हो रहा है. See, it's closing perfectly here. But somehow जब मैं पहन रही हूँ तो मैं इसको close नहीं कर पा रही. Okay, let's leave it. I'm not able to close it somehow on my ears. ये थोड़ा सा hairs की वजह से भी मेरे को issue होता है. अदरवाइज ये इजीली क्लोज हो रहा है. यहाँ पे यू कैन सी इसके क्लोजर के साथ कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. जस्ट दैट कैन नॉट एबल टू डू इट बिकॉज ऑफ माई हेयर्स. ये फंस जा रहा है. सो दिस इज द बाली. द प्राइस इज सेम, 899 रुपीज. सो दीज आर अवेलेबल इन पेस्टल ग्रीन कलर, completely AD studded. All side is AD studded, like back and front part. It's not like only front part is AD. Back and front both are ADs, and the price is same, 899 rupees. Moving on to the next one, we showed this in last live session. We couldn't restock the exact same color, but we got these colors, so I'm going to share it with you guys. Yeah, these are the earrings that I'm talking about. I'll show you. I'll open it and show you. These are for 599 rupees. The prices are same. We haven't changed the price. Okay, so the prices are same. So this is the one. This is pink color. Pink colored stones here. Pink and white combination it is. I'm gonna wear it and show you. Price is 599 only. Very pastel pink. See how pretty it is. Oh, it's making me look too smart. Blind trust and TST quality. Oh my god, thank you so much, Riddhima. Hi, looking blue. No, it's pink. See, like I can see it pink here. Is it showing blue on your screen? It's pink. See? It might be due to light reflection or something, but light reflection of my kurta, that's why. But it's pastel pink in color. 3 colors we have in this single pieces. This is pastel pink in color. Price is 599. Sorry, I'll check the price once. Yeah, price is 599 only. So for this earring in 599, it's like a steal, a deal kind of thing. So just go grab these, because you can never go wrong with this one. This is really very pretty. So this has all white ADs here, pink one here. Okay, so yeah, so this is the first color. Then again we have pastel green in this. Pastel green this is. ये थोड़ा सा अगर मेरे कुर्ते का कलर रिफ्लेक्ट कर रहा है तो आई डोंट नो, बट दिस वन इज पिंक. this one like pastel pink, pastel green, and then we have a grey one. Like, just imagine it in grey AD. How beautiful. So yes, these are the three colors that we have got. So this is grey, this is grey, you can see this is grey one, this is pastel green, and this is grey. Okay, and the one that I'm wearing right now is pink. I can see it pink. Yeah, it's pink. And the price range is $5.99, and we have got single pieces of all three. So this one you guys loved it in the last session and asked to restock colors, so we got the colors for you. But we have limited stock, so you guys can get your hands on them. Moving on to the next, what I'm going to show you is one of my favorite from this collection. Just give me a moment. Yeah. These are the tops that I'm talking about. You guys are going to love these. These are so classy and so pretty, I just can't tell you. So these are available in two colors. This is complete white zircon on black base, and this is in multicolor. You can see this is multicolor, and both of these are just like, I just love these. I'm going to wear it and show you how it looks. Again, it comes with the clip, so that it stays to your ear and you don't face any issue. See, just look at it. Like, if you're going for office wears, or if you want to wear it with a sari or something, it's going to look so pretty, I can't tell you. And the ADs in here are really beautiful. And then this is the multicolor. We have only one or two pieces, but this one we have two pieces again. Oxidized jewelry is available. Yes, oxidized jewelry is available. You can always check our feed and website. There are so many options for oxidized jewelry. And right now in this live session we are launching our AD collection and other meenakaris, which will come later, and then some necklaces. So that is what we are launching right now. So this is the multicolor. Shall I wear the multicolor also? You can see how pretty this one is looking, and it holds to your ear, because of the clip. ये ऐसा नहीं होता कि नीचे चला जाएगा या कुछ ऐसा. This gives you a very smart look. Just look at it. Even with kurta, how pretty. Whether this is something which you can wear with your jeans, sari, kurta, dresses, everything. Something which will complement all types of dresses. So, okay, I'm going to wear the multicolor one also. Also, the price for this one is 749 rupees. Price is 749. Okay, I'm going to wear the multi one now. Okay, so this is the multicolored one, and just look at it. Let's take a minute to praise this beauty. This is so pretty, like really. Like, have a closer look at it. So this is available in two color, multi and complete white AD. So and the price is 750 rupees. You're just gonna love this one. So you're gonna love all the collection, but yeah. Is there Drazi jewelry collection? No, Neha, we don't have Drazi jewelry right now, but we'll surely try to add them to our collection. So I'm telling you, this one you can't go wrong with. This is something which is really very pretty, very statement. Hi sister, I'll see your live for your pretty face, not for your jewelry. Sorry. It's okay, it's okay. Nothing to be sorry about. It's alright. Okay, after that we have these again very pretty studs, which I'm going to show you. Where are the colors? Okay, so this again is a stud which is in champagne color, which is available in two colors actually. This is champagne color. Just look at it. I hope इस पे ज़्यादा लाइट ना पड़े और तब देखो कि इसके शाइन क्या है और क्वालिटी क्या है. How pretty is this? This is white and champagne colored AD stud, and this is available in two colors. I'll show you the second color as well. The price is 1150 rupees, and this is how it looks when you wear it. See, these are such statement pieces, I can't tell you. This is in white and champagne color AD it is. We have another color also in this, and which is complete white. Okay, so both the color combination are clear, like a killer combination. This is complete white. I'll again block the light so that you can see how pretty it looks. You can see the quality and shine here only in the live session. इनका sign देखो, ये कितना ज़्यादा pretty लगता है देखने में. So this is the champagne color that I'm wearing right now, and this is complete white. So you can choose your color, which color you want, and this one is for 1150 rupees. And you can see the look here. मेरे को सारे इतने अच्छे लग रहे हैं, मैं क्या बताऊँ. Price is 1150 Ramya, and you have already seen the size and how it looks when you wear it, and available in two colors, champagne and white and complete white. So after the AD collection we'll have Meenakari earrings coming. Moving on to another very pretty one. Don't your ear hole feel like paining? अभी तो नहीं pain कर रहे हैं, but I don't know after showing the complete collection what is going to happen to my ear hole. They will pain. They will. They always do after my live sessions, because I wear so many earrings back to back to show you guys how it looks, so that you can easily decide if on the looks. So it happens, but I put on, you know, some Boro lean on my earlobes, and they're good to go the next morning. So just take a moment to look at this beauty. It's a peacock stud. It has complete AD studded here, rose gold ADs, pink ADs, then black ADs. It has the combination of, you know, all the beautiful AD colors, and look is like this. Sorry. See. Can you see how beautiful this is? Like, again, this is available in two colors. So we have got two colors mostly in the designs. So I'm just looking for the second color. Yeah, this is something which is complete white, and you know, this is something which is complete white, and this is complete white and rose gold, and this is these stones are pink colored here, pastel pink stones are here. So you can always ask for pictures, okay, if you have any confusion regarding the colors. And these are again extremely beautiful. I'm going to show you the white one as well closely. The price of these are, oh wait, okay, the price of these are 1099. Again, it comes with a clip. Okay, here is the clip so that it holds to your ear and it won't fall. Okay, and this is how it looks. This is in complete rose gold and white. I'm blocking the light so that you know, you can see it clearly. So these are the two colors, one in pink and one in white and rose gold. So you can get your hands on these ones. Price is 1099. All are extremely beautiful. Don't know which one to buy. Oh, just wait for it. More are coming your way and you're going to love it. The next stud again that I'm going to show you is again a very pretty one, very pretty stud. This one. Just look at it. This is again white and pastel green color. This is white and pastel green stud. These are. Just look at it now. With, you know, rose gold bordering over here. Just look at the designing, how pretty and how unique they are. Okay, so these are the studs and price of these ones are 1150 rupees. We need a skincare routine too. Look at the flawless skin. We all need you know, good skincare routine, which is, it's a vital part of our life, I guess. We all should do that. I was also a very lazy person regarding my skincare routine, but now I have started to take care. So this is how it looks. The price is 1150 rupees and this is available in two colors. The one that I'm wearing is green and the another one is this again, pastel pink. Very pretty watery pastel pink. Price is 1150 rupees. This is how it looks. Price is 1150 rupees for okay, these are 1099. These are 1150 rupees, available in two colors. Moving on to the next, I'm going to show you something which is very interesting. Are you able to hear the sound? Am I audible to you guys? Yes, call आ रही थी किसी की, I don't know. Mostly my mom must be calling on WhatsApp, तो उनकी call आ रही थी. Okay, so these, the one that I'm going to show you right now are called caterpillar earring. And why do we call them caterpillar earring? I'm going to show you very soon. So these are the caterpillar dangler. And why are these called caterpillar? They are like caterpillar, very flexible. Look at this. Look at this. You can literally roll them the way you want and they'll dangle like anything. And this is complete AD. From top to bottom, this complete AD one. So this is our caterpillar earring. It will be like this, like this. You can roll it over however you feel. This is, again I'll tell you that the designing and everything is superb. And this is how this dangler is going to look. Just look at it. And these caterpillar earrings are for 1150 rupees. Yeah, these caterpillar earrings are for 1150 rupees. Again, these are available in 2-3 shades. The one that I have right now is black metal and rose gold. These are okay. The one that I'm wearing right now. We have two more colors. I'm going to show you. No, we have only two colors. One is in black metal and one. Is there any other collection today already? We have Meenakaris coming right after the AD ones, and after that we'll have some zircon necklaces. So we have more coming. Please stay tuned. Okay, so this is in black metal and this is in complete rose gold. You can see this is complete rose gold and white ADs, and this is in black metal with white ADs and rose gold ADs. So this is a combination of both, and this is complete AD, rose gold. So these are the two colors available in caterpillar earring. You can see how pretty, like how beautifully they are dangling to my ears, and these are extremely lightweight. Don't go on the length of the earring. These are extremely lightweight. The price is 1150 rupees for these caterpillar earring. If you can't take a screenshot, and if you want, you can just write down that you want caterpillar earrings. Someone will get back to you. Just look at it. Aren't they flawless? Like really flawless these are. I instantly fell in love with them. The designing, the quality and everything. So here are the caterpillar earrings. Price is 1150 rupees. And available in two colors. Moving on to the next is again something okay, just give me a moment. Okay, the next one that I'm going to show you is again something which you guys are going to love. Just let me show you those. These are AD studs, very different ones again. And these again are available in two colors. Price is 899, single piece available. That's why I'm telling pehle hi. Price for these ones are 899 rupees. Available in two colors. I'm going to show you both of them together. Look at these. This is complete white and this is rose gold. Like ऐसे दिखाती हूँ ताकि आपको लाइट से हट के दिखे. ये कितना सुंदर है. Very statement again. White and rose gold. Single piece available है. इसके साथ भी ये क्लिप आता है ताकि आपके ईयर्स को होल्ड कर सके. इशू ना हो. मैं पहन के दिखाती हूँ कैसा लगता है. So this is how it looks. Just अभी मैंने ये नहीं लगाया है. Wait. Let me just put the back hook. See. Just look at this. How pretty are these? ऐसे रहेगा. And if you want to see the work closely, ऐसे दिखाना पड़ेगा. This has like floral work done all over, crafted with complete AD. Comes with the back hook. Price is 899 only, so don't miss this one. This is really something which you are going to love having it. Okay, so available in two colors. This is white and this is complete rose gold, so you can choose your color, which color you want, like this. Hi Pavi, how are you? Hi Khushi. Super, thank you. Okay. I'm keeping the best one for the last. Are you guys able to hear me? Then we have these danglers. These are for 650 rupees. Again in AD. These are again pastel pink ADs, and we have these in two color. white and pink and pastel green. This is watery pink and this is pastel green. And again something with AD in very affordable range. This one is for 650 rupees only. This one is for 650 rupees. Hi Anam, how are you? Yes, audible. Okay, great. So again a very beautiful piece. So this is how it looks. ऐसा. Very statement again, not too big, not too small, very lightweight to flaunt. Comes in two color. This is the pink one and then we have the sea green one. Price is 650 rupees only. Okay, I got the wrong one, sorry. Okay, here these are. Your skin is glowing. Thank you so much, Anam. Hi Nishu, how are you? So these are, these are pastel greens and these are the pinks. You can see how they look. You can see how they look. And the price for these ones are 650 rupees only. How are you, ma'am? I'm good, Nishu. I'm good. Okay, let me show you something which is very different, very, very different, and I am wearing it right now. See, this again is in complete AD and super fine quality of pearl earring. ऐसे देखो, this one is in rose gold and pearl. Then again we have complete white in it. Okay, this is in complete white AD. This is in complete white AD. और पहन के कैसा लगता है? So I'm already wearing this. बहुत ही statement सा piece है. Extremely lightweight this one is. और price भी बहुत affordable है. This is only for 650 rupees. This is only for 650 rupees. और आप देख सकते हो ये कितना सुंदर लग रहा है. You can see. And this also comes with the black closer hook ताकि आपको ये stay करे जहाँ मतलब आपके earlobes पे अच्छे से stay करे. Okay, and this is another color. So price is 650 rupees only. So also we have three colors. Sorry, this is in complete rose gold. This is in black metal plus rose gold, and then we have whites here. So these are the three colors available. So you can ask for pictures if you are confused regarding the colors. I want rose gold. Prati, please DM. Someone from our team will get back to you. Too much rate. Vijaya, everything is priced according to the rate. Okay. Quality and the rate. That's how it is. Okay, after this again I'm going to show you a very pretty stud which is available in three very pretty color. One is pastel pink, pastel green, and then this champagne color. So I'm going to wear champagne color for you. I'm going to wear champagne color for you guys. Price for these ones are 999. This again comes with closer hook. And this is how it will look when you wear it. Just give me a moment. COD available. Yes, Vijaya, COD is available. So look at these. This is how these stud looks. Like very statement, very pretty. This is in champagne color that I'm wearing right now. Then we have other two colors in this. This one, which again is pink. I don't know if आपको pink दिख रहा है या कोई और color दिख रहा है. This is pink. Okay, like just see it like this. This is a very pastel pink one. And then we have the pastel green ones. The price is 999 rupees. Available in three colors. You can see the quality and the designing here. How pretty this one are. This is the pastel green color. The finishing and the quality of ADs are really like breathtakingly beautiful. These are, they have a different kind of aura to them. That's what I feel. Then I'm going to show you this one, which is only single piece and something which I'm just going to wear and then show you how it looks. Because this is very different, very different, quite long as well, and very different designing. So let me just wear it and then show it to you guys. So just look at it. This is how it is, like very different, very differently designed it is. So this is the stud part, and you'll have waterfall of ADs here. Just look at it, long ones, short going up till here. So okay, so there's now we have very limited stock of these. That's why we're not able to upload on website पे जाने से पहले ही they get all sold out. So we are not able to post it on website. What you can do is you can just take a screenshot of the product and DM us. Someone from our team will get back to you so that you don't miss on the ones that you are loving right now. Okay, so yes, this is how it is. This here is complete white AD and these are all black ADs. And you can easily look at the designing, how pretty this is. इसको आप ऐसे पहन सकते हो, इसको सीधा भी कर सकते हो, but ये ऐसे पहनने पे ज़्यादा सुंदर लगता है. Just look at it. Are these available? No, these are not available on website. We are just launching it in our live session. ठीक है? So these are not available on our website. You can, if you want to order these, you can take a screenshot and place your orders with us on Instagram. Because with last AD collection, everything got sold out too quickly, and we were not able to upload it on website. So that's why I'm saying it again. If you want to place order for these ones, you can just take a screenshot and place your orders. Also, I'm going to save the video to IGTV like I always do. So you can check the whole IGTV video and then you can place your orders. Price is 1150 rupees for this one. Okay, so this waterfall earring is for 1150 rupees. Waterfall AD earring, this is for 1150 rupees. Single pieces available only. So whoever wants it, you guys can get your hands on this one. Hi Pavi. Okay, so with this we are done with our AD collection for today. Okay, and now what I'm going to show you are some very beautiful Meenakari jhumkas and some earrings. Okay, so let's move on to those. So we have a very pretty Chandbali jhumkas for you. I'm going to start from my favorite color here. Anusha, the price for the waterfall AD earring was 1150 rupees. 1150 it is. Okay, so this is a very pretty color. Chand Meenakari earring these are. This is a combination of Dabi Kundan plus Meenakari jhumka. This is pink plus blue. The color combination is really beautiful. You are just going to see the color combinations are really beautiful. We have got 4 color combinations. And this is how it looks. Just look at it. Oh my god. Just look at it. How pretty are these? You see, the designing is really beautiful. Very different from all the Meenakari jhumkas that we have right now. Again, not too much weight these have. These are medium weight according to me. So let me explain the work to you. So it has Dabi Kundan work all over the stud. Then it has a chand here which has Dabi Kundan work plus these pearl work here, and then a meenakari jhumka. And the price for these are 399 rupees only. You can see how beautiful these are looking, like how festive mood these are giving. और ईद के लिए तो this is best. You have a here chand on your ears, है ना? So ईद के लिए तो this झुमका is best. I just loved it. I saw the design. I was like, ईद के लिए तो ये best झुमका है, you know? Like आपका चांद भी बना है, and you have very festive vibes coming from this झुमका. And the price, guys, price is 399 rupees only. Okay, so this is the first color, pink and blue. I'm going to show you the other colors as well. Then we have peach and maroon combination. This is peach and maroon color combination. ये पिंक वाला पहना है मैंने. मैं आपको पीच भी वेयर करके दिखाऊं. प्राइस इज 399 रुपीज ओनली. मैम आपको बहुत अच्छा है कुर्ती. थैंक यू निशु, थैंक यू सो मच. सो लास्ट लाइव सेशन में बहुत सारे लोगों ने बोला था कि रिद्धिमा प्राइस इज 399, क्या हमें भी चिकन करी कुर्ती चाहिए है. सो आई गॉट दोज चिकन करी फॉर सम ऑफ आवर कस्टमर. सो वंस विल रिसीव देम विल बी शेयरिंग पिक्चर्स विद यू. अगर आपको भी चाहिए होगा तो आप मंगवा सकते हो. आई विल ट्राई टू गेट इट फॉर यू गाइज. This is peach and maroon color. Again, a very pretty combination. You can see pastel peach plus maroon. So this is how it looks. Have a closer look at it. Then we have green and pink. Then we have yellow meenakari. Yes, Riddhima, this is meenakari. Price is 399 rupees. So this is another color. This is green and pink. Colors are very beautiful color combinations these have. So this is, okay, let me block the light a little bit. This is green and pink color. And the one that I'm wearing right now is peach. Please ma'am, मुझे भी चाहिए कुर्ती का पिक. From where these accessories come from? These accessories come from all over India. We have invested a great amount of time and hard work in finding kadigars and makers who make these beautiful designs of earring. So yes, that's how it is. So this is again green color. Okay, ऐसा. And then we have the very demanded color जो आप लोगों को चाहिए होता है, which is yellow color. So this is the yellow one. So this comes in yellow and green, something जो कि बहुत ही pretty सा combination है. Just look at it, बहुत pretty combination है इनका. Very vibrant yellow and green this is. I'm going to wear it for you because you guys need to see this. जो भी लोग आप कुर्ते में इंटरेस्टेड हो, एक DM ड्रॉप कर देना. I'll try कि मैं आप लोगों के लिए वो प्रोक्योर कर दूं. So yes, this is the green and yellow one. How pretty are these looking? I'm good, Sanketa. How are you? So yes, these chand wale meenakari jhumkas are here, perfect for your Eid, and you're just going to love it. And these are available in 4 colors. I've already shown you the colors. I'm just going to remind you. This is the one yellow and green that I'm wearing. This is green and pink. Then we have, peach and maroon. And then we have, what do we have? Okay, pink and blue. So all the combinations are very pretty. And the yellow one here. So these are the 4 colors that I'm wearing right now. So yes, so you can choose your color. Price is also affordable. Are these on website? No, nothing that I'm showing right now is on website because we are just launching it in the live session. So these are not available on website. right now. Okay, so moving on to the next one is what I'm going to show you is again very festive one. These are again Chandbalis, Dabi Kundan Chandbalis. You again are going to love these. So I'm going to start from the green color. So the price for this one is 450 rupees. Again, very festive one if you are looking for something to, for marriage purpose or for function purpose. So you can go for these. Just look at them. These are complete, Dabi Kundan, and look at the pearl work done here. Look at the quality of the work done here. I'm going to show you how it looks. I need yellow and green one. Lavi, please DM, take the screenshot and message us so that we can book it for you. See how pretty are these. I feel like going to someone's marriage right now. शादी है किसी की? नहीं. We are in the middle of a pandemic. अभी शादी मत करो. So this is how pretty these are. The price is 450 rupees only. So again, not very pricey according to the quality and the designing. You can see like it's next to impossible to find these kind of earring in 450 rupees. But we have it here for you so that you can flaunt it in all its glory and you guys can just rock your functions. So this is green. And then we have yellow. Okay, so this is yellow. These are the yellow beads. ये थोड़ा सा lighting की वजह से आपको complete yellow नहीं दिख रहा है, but these are complete yellow beads. ठीक है? And then we have peach and complete golden. So we have 4 colors. So this is the peach one. This is peach. This is yellow. The one that I'm wearing right now is green. All the earrings suits for your dress. Yeah, it's because the dress that I'm wearing, it's a chikankari kurta and it's a multi-color chikankari work. So it's all the earrings that I'm wearing is going with my dress right now. And then we have complete golden in this. So whichever color you want to go with, you can go with them. Every color is beautiful. Ouch. Sorry, I dropped it. So sorry. So this is complete golden. See? So these are the 4 colors that are available in these that I am wearing right now. Can you see the color clearly now? So this is the yellow. निशु कुर्ती आई विल बी टेलिंग यू इन DM, ठीक है, क्योंकि मेरे को भी पहले पूछना पड़ेगा. आई डोंट रिमेम्बर द प्राइसेस, तो मेरे को पहले पूछना पड़ेगा. तो आई लेट यू नो अबाउट इट आफ्टर द लाइव सेशंस. उनसे कांटेक्ट करके एक बार. दिस इज पीच, येलो, ग्रीन. आपने बोला लाइट ऑफ कर दो, सो आई हैव स्विच्ड ऑफ द लाइट ताकि आप अच्छे से कलर्स देख पाओ इजीली. सो आई होप कि आपको भी कलर्स अच्छे से पता लग रहे होंगे. एंड देन दिस इज कंप्लीट गोल्डन. सो दीज आर द 4 कलर्स. दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स. One small suggestion. Yes, Devi, please tell us. Suggestions are always welcome. It helps us improve. Wait for Chandbalis. Okay, I'll have to wear them. Alok! You can remove from cover and keep ready. Actually, the thing is that if I remove from cover, I won't be able to remember the prices. Weighing machine, I won't be able to remember the prices. I like, it's really difficult to remember prices of these much of products. That's why I need to keep them in cover so that I don't mix up the prices and there's no confusion about it, and that's why. Okay, so I'm just weighing these Chand Balis. Just give me a moment. I'm just getting the weighing machine. So these are in total 50 grams. Okay, so these are 50 grams in total, 25 grams for 1 year. So according to the size, these are not as heavy as they should be. These are medium weight according to the size of the earrings and the designing done. So these are 25 grams. Left earring price. This earring I told the price. I don't remember the price, so I'll have to check. मैं IGTV पे video upload कर दूँगी, and you guys can easily check the prices there. Please show golden. Here's the golden one. This is complete golden. Price is 450 rupees. Okay, so moving on to the next, what I'm going to show you is 2 zircon necklaces. Okay, but before zircon price, okay, the price for this one is 450 rupees only. Okay, 450 rupees, and the weight is 25 grams. Single one is 25 grams. What I'm going to show you is these beauties. Okay, ऐसे दिखाएंगे इसको. So these are, Bharat Kangans. ठीक है, we already had the Bharat Payal and Bharat necklace. So we thought कि कंगन ही मिस हो रहा है बस, तो कंगन्स भी ले आते हैं. So we got these Bharat Kangans. These have these are openable. So I'm just opening one of these. You look beautiful. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, so I have taken the nut out, and this is how it looks. You see, so many pearls here, and this is a complete dolly here, then elephants here, then the bride and groom is here, then the umbrellas are here. So this is the Bharat concept one. So मैं इसको पूरा तो बंद नहीं कर पाऊंगी, but I'm just trying to show you guys कि how it looks. एक हाथ से लगाने में नहीं बनता मेरे को, इसलिए. So this is how it will look. ऐसा. And it fits up to size 2.6. ये ऐसा दिखता है. बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्रिटी है ये. आप एक भी वेयर करते होते हो, बहुत सुंदर लगता है. And the price for these are 900 for a pair. All these are completely hand painted and handmade. So when you are buying this, you are also supporting our artisans and small laborers, okay, who are working day and night to make their livelihood from these beautiful pair of jewelries. So yeah, this one is for 900 for a pair. Okay, so yes, they are pretty. They are very pretty kangan these are. The pearl work here, the concept is so good, and the pearl work here at the end, they make it look so pretty. I can't tell you. Very pretty these are. Okay, moving on to something which again we are back with zircon necklaces. So something in zircon and pearl I'm going to show you. So okay, how am I supposed to show you guys this? Just look at this. So it has these zircon florals here everywhere here in the necklace, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zircon florals here, and then these work of pearls. Oh my god, these look so pretty. ओके, आई एम जस्ट गोना वेयर दिस. ये सबसे अच्छा तरीका है दिखाने का. आई एम जस्ट गोना वेयर दिस एंड देन शो इट टू यू गाइज हाउ इट लुक्स. कृतिका, just give me a moment, I need a little help. Kritika, just give me a moment guys, okay? got the other end. पूरा टाइट मत कर लो. पूरा टाइट हो जाएगा. अभी हम तुमको फिर से बुलाएंगे क्योंकि इसको खोलना भी पड़ेगा. सो ओके, सो दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स. ये आपके पूरे नेक पे जाता है. ओके, ये आपके पूरे नेक पे आएगा. From here to this end to this end. So इसको ऐसे पहनना होता है. Okay, so these are the flowers here and this is how the necklace looks. Very aesthetic, very differently designed. Like the designing is superb. मतलब बहुत ही अलग सा आपको ये लुक देता है. और इसकी इयररिंग्स भी बहुत प्रिटी हैं. Price is 1100 rupees for this zircon brass beauty. And these are the earrings. कंप्लीट जिरकॉन और ब्रास के साथ आता है ये. दिस इज ब्रास पॉल हियर. इसमें भी पूरा वर्क किया हुआ है. आप अगर ध्यान से देखोगे तो आपको दिखेगा. एंड इवन द इयररिंग्स आर वेरी प्रिटी. द प्राइस इज 1100 फॉर दिस नेकलेस. एंड यस, यू गाइज वर आस्किंग कि आपके ईयरलोब्स में पेन नहीं होता. सो नाउ माई ईयरलोब्स आर पेनिंग. मैंने इतने सारे इयररिंग्स बैक टू बैक पहने हैं. बट स्टिल आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू हाउ दिस लुक्स. सो दिस इज हाउ द कंप्लीट लुक इज. मैंने तो कुर्ते के साथ पहना है. आप इसको इमेजिन करो साड़ी के साथ या किसी एथनिक चीज के साथ. ये कितना प्रिटी लगेगा. सो दिस इज हाउ द जिरकॉन पॉल नेकलेस इज. अगेन ये कंप्लीट ब्रास में है. प्राइस इज 1100 रुपीज और सिर्फ सिंगल कलर में अवेलेबल है. देयर इज नो कलर्स अवेलेबल इन इट. ओके, सो दिस इज हाउ इट इज. Moving on to the next, what I'm going to show you is again a brass piece in beautiful onyx beads and zircon, available in 3 color. So कौन सा कलर पहनूंगी आप बताओ. ये 3 कलर्स अवेलेबल है. ग्रीन, रेड and black. Which color should I wear and show you guys? Let me know in the comment section which color. This or this. Which color should I wear? Let me know. Till then I am removing this one. Kritika, red. Okay, black. एक मिनट. Black, red. So it's like a tie between black and red or something. Green. ऐसा लग रहा है मेरे को तीनों ही पहनना पड़ेगा फिर तो. ग्रीन, रेड, ब्लैक. सबसे ज्यादा मेरे को ब्लैक आ रहा है, आई गेस. सो व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू इज ब्लैक. ओके, लेट्स गो विद ब्लैक. ओके, सो आई एम वेयरिंग द ब्लैक वन राइट नाउ. अभी ग्रीन आ रहा है बहुत सारा अचानक से. अरे यार, इतना कंफ्यूज करोगे तो कैसे चलेगा. आई एम वेयरिंग ब्लैक. मैं एक एक करके सारा पहन के दिखा दूंगी. जस्ट गिव मी अ मोमेंट. ओके, कैन यू जस्ट या श्योर. So you can see how this is looking. You can just look at the quality of the beads. ठीक है. बाकी जो इसका वर्क है वो मैं आपको दूसरे कलर में दिखा देती हूँ कि कैसा वर्क है इस पे. So this is how the necklace is. All zircons in between. Then these 2 very pretty peacock pearls here. Everything is just coming so pretty like together. सो दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स. राइट नाउ आई एम वेयरिंग द ब्लैक वन. यू कैन सी हाउ द ब्लैक वन लुक्स. ठीक है, आप इसको एडजस्ट कर सकते हो. पीछे चेन है एडजस्ट करने के लिए. इसके साथ जो इयररिंग्स आते हैं, वेयर द इयररिंग्स. सो दीज आर द इयररिंग्स. ये इयररिंग्स आते हैं इसके साथ. प्राइस इज 850 रुपीज फॉर दिस very pretty zircon and onyx piece. So price is again very. After this I am going to wear green. ठीक है, green में थोड़ा सा red भी आ जाता है तो आप लोग देख लेना. Okay, so this is how the earring is. Complete brass piece this is. ये नहीं, ये चुभता नहीं है, ये आपको चुभेगा नहीं, डोंट वरी. मैंने भी पहना हुआ है तो ये चुभता नहीं है. Okay, so these are the earrings. क्लोज लुक के लिए मैं आपको ये वाला दिखा सकती हूँ. ये है, दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स क्लोजली. ये इनके बहुत प्रिटी पर्ल्स हैं. दीज आर अगेन नॉट प्लास्टिक बीड्स, दीज आर वेरी गुड क्वालिटी ऑनिक्स बीड्स. आप इनका शाइन देख सकते हो. एंड द प्राइस इज 850 रुपीज ओनली. ओके, सो दिस इज द ब्लैक वन दैट आई एम वेयरिंग राइट नाउ. है ना, ऐसे देखो, ऐसा कंप्लीट ऐसा लिखता है. Very pretty this is looking actually. So a very decent necklace this one is, and price range is also decent. So price is 850 rupees only. These are the earrings. I'm going to wear green now. Okay, so take this out. That's Kritika helping me with my necklaces. Would you like?
Guys.
Okay, so Kritika is saying hi to all of you. इसको सुनाई नहीं दिया तुम्हारा हाई लगता है. ओके, नहीं सुनाई दिया सबको. सो पीपल आर सेइंग हाई टू यू. से हाई लगाने के बाद. सो कृतिका's hand is saying hi. Okay, so this is the green and a red one. So that this is, you know, complete green, and this is green, red, white, every color is here. So you can see. अब मैं white red वाला नहीं पहनने वाली हूँ, ठीक है. So and इसका जो earring है, कहाँ गया इसका earring यार? These. So इसमें एक green pearl लग के आता है, black वाले में black pearl आता है, इसमें green pearl लग के आता है, and red वाले में red pearl आता है. So is she your sister? Yes. क्या बोलते हैं, ब्रदर फ्रॉम अनदर मदर तो होता है सिस्टर फ्रॉम अनदर. सो यस, शी इज लाइक अ सिस्टर फ्रॉम अनदर मदर. सो या, शी इज सिस्टर, रूममेट, फ्रेंड, बेस्ट फ्रेंड, जो भी बोल लो. ओके, सो दिस इज हाउ द कंप्लीट लुक इज. ग्रीन वाले के बहुत ही डिसेंट सा लुक आ रहा है इसका, तो आप देख सकते हो. एंड प्राइस इज 850 रुपीज. बाकी जो रेड वाला है वो ये है. ऐसा लग रहा है मेरे को रेड भी पहन ही लेना चाहिए. चलो मैं रेड भी पहन ही देती हूँ. आपने सबने इतना वो किया है सारा कलर्स का, तो मैं पहन ही लेती हूँ ये भी. और कृतिका तो है मेरी हेल्प कराने के लिए. सो यस, दिस इज द रेड वन विच आई एम गोइंग टू वेयर इट नाउ. आई होप यू गाइज हैड अ गुड लुक एट द ग्रीन वन. सो दिस इज द ग्रीन वन, है ना. so ये ऐसा दिखता है. एंड देन लेट्स गेट टू द रेड वन. So you guys voted for all the three colors, so I had to wear all the three, no? How could I not do what you are asking me to? I'll have to show you all the three. So yes, this is the red one. ओए उल्टा पहना दिया. नहीं, मैंने उल्टा पहना. सॉरी. ओके ओके, सो दिस इज हाउ द रेड वन लुक्स. यार तीनों ही कलर बहुत प्रिटी लग रहा है. एंड रेड वन का जो इयररिंग्स है उसमें ये रेड बीड्स आते हैं यहाँ पे लास्ट में. बाकी इयररिंग सबका सेम है. प्राइस इज 850 रुपीज ओनली. तो यू गाइज कैन सी कौन सा कलर आपको चाहिए है, विच कलर इज गोइंग, लाइक आपको कौन सा चाहिए. सो यू गाइज कैन डिसाइड दैट. आप देख ही सकते हो ये कितना सुंदर लग रहा है पहनने पे. प्राइस रेंज इज ऑल्सो अफोर्डेबल. जिरकॉन में, ओनिक्स बीड के साथ, ब्रास बेस में, सब कुछ के साथ 850 में आपको ये पूरा सेट मिल जाता है. सो यस, ग्रैब दिस ब्यूटीफुल सेट. आई गेस 2 पीस हैं ईच सेट के. सो जिनको भी लेना है, you guys can just take a screenshot and DM us. Also with that I have shown you guys the complete collection that I was here with to share. मीनाकारी दिखा दिया, एडी बहुत सारा, मीनाकारी, चांद वाली, you know, then these very pretty set. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's live session. And guys, again I want to say कि deliveries जो है वो बहुत states में affected है, बहुत सारे cities में affected है. So please आप हाथ में थोड़ा सा टाइम रख के फिर ऑर्डर करो, क्योंकि कोई भी अर्जेंट ऑर्डर्स डिलीवर नहीं हो रहे. अभी जो नॉर्मल भी डिलीवरी है उसमें भी थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा टाइम लग रहा है. महाराष्ट्र और छत्तीसगढ़ में अभी डिलीवरी नहीं हो रही है. डिलीवरी जो महाराष्ट्र और छत्तीसगढ़ के ऑर्डर्स हैं, दे विल बी डिलीवर्ड टू यू आफ्टर 1 May. ठीक है, जब डिलीवरी ओपन हो जाएगी तो आपका ऑर्डर पैक करके सेफली हमारे साथ रखा हुआ है. सो प्लीज़ डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट. हमारे पास बहुत सारे पार्सल्स हैं जो सब पैक करके रखे हुए हैं. वो एक बार ये सिचुएशन थोड़ा सा ठीक हो जाता है, जब अलाउ कर देगी गवर्नमेंट सेंड करने के लिए, तो विल सेंड दोज पार्सल्स टू यू. एंड बैंगलोर, या डिलीवरी इज अवेलेबल इन बैंगलोर राइट नाउ. ओनली महाराष्ट्र एंड छत्तीसगढ़ वी आर नॉट एबल टू डिलीवर बिकॉज इट्स क्लोज देयर राइट नाउ. इन अदर स्टेट्स वी आर डिलीवरिंग. सो या, आप जिसको भी यू नो मतलब ऑर्डर करना है तो प्लीज़ थोड़ा सा हाथ में टाइम लेके ऑर्डर करो, so that आपको मिल जाए टाइम से. Okay, so with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and shop your heart out. ठीक है, शॉपिंग करके थोड़ा सा अच्छा भी फील होता है. तो इट्स मतलब मैं भी शॉप कर लेती हूँ थोड़ा बहुत. इट्स जस्ट दैट कि मेरे को मोस्टली चीज़ें जो पसंद आती है वो आउट ऑफ स्टॉक हो जाती है, क्योंकि मैं बहुत लेट कर देती हूँ. दैट्स हाउ आई एम. ओके, सो आप लोग प्लीज़ 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 अपना ख्याल रखें. स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ, पॉजिटिव सोचे, प्लीज बी पॉजिटिव. ठीक है, एंड हेल्प पीपल एज मच एज यू कैन. एंड होप टू सी यू गाइज सून एंड होप दैट ऑल ऑफ यू आर सेफ. आवर प्रेयर्स एंड बेस्ट विशेज आर विद यू. ओके, एंड विद दैट आई सी यू सून इन अनदर लाइव सेशन. टिल देन, टेक केयर, बाय बाय, गुड नाइट, बाय गाइज.